I, Hassan Ali Joho.
Mihango ya uthurimi wa maminista murekiingira muthenya wa muthia umuthi uria wendekithitio ta minista wa wenji wa mahiga ma goro Ali Hassan Joho ni eranĩire gutabania mogarũrũku mawatho-ini maria marugamirire sekta ya wenji wa mahiga ma goro niguo gutigirira bũrũri ni wagunĩka na oho kweheria cartels aria magomeire sekta ĩno. Joho augĩte mamwe ma mawatho maria marahuthĩka kwa ihinda rĩrĩ ni mahũtũke ni mahinda na nimo mahotithagia aigithia gwĩthema kũrĩha magoti maria magĩrĩire na kwĩhithania atĩ no gũthuthuria marathuthuria kũrĩa kwĩna mahiga maya ma goro.
If you thought you saw cartels, I have come to learn within this short period of time that I've been nominated, there are greater cartels in the mining industry. And Mr. Speaker, if you approve me, that is where I begin. Remove the cartels. Remove the brokers.
Joho ni ongereire kuga kuri na aigithia sekta-ini no makoretwo magicenjia marĩtwa mahinda kwa mahinda niguo gwĩthema kũnengera thirikari kĩrĩa kĩrĩ kĩayo na angĩhĩtũkio hau niho ekwambĩrĩria.
Mining industry in Kenya cannot be a market of speculators. Mr. Speaker, I've also learned that before someone hits the ground, you'll find instances where a company has exchanged hands more than 10 times. Someone has gone, applied for a license, given a license, sold it to the speaker, then sold it to Naisula, then sold it to Owen, then sold it to some farm in Canada, that one sells to China. All that time that they're speculating and gaining profits, the Kenyan people are losing.
Joho uria unakoretwo ari mung'ethaniri munene wa mutongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto ni atarĩirie NIEHARIIRIE kũrutania wĩra nake nĩguo kũgacĩrithia ũthii wa na mbere wa bũrũri mũgarũ na hau kabere.
I have been a great critic of this government, like others I did before. Now I've been given an opportunity. An opportunity has been availed to me to come and create that difference that I've been talking about all this time. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. Bring new energy, new ideology, new thinking, because after all of us are serving one nation, one people.
Oho NIATETEIRE mathomo make thutha wa kwĩrĩkana egwatĩire grade ya D- kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE akiuga ni mayo nĩyo grade ĩrĩa egwatĩire no ndĩmũgirĩtie gũthiĩ na mbere na mathomo make kũrĩa rĩu arĩ hakuhĩ kũnengerwo degree ya masters.
I did not do well in my secondary school. I got a D-, no doubt. But Mr. Speaker, I turned that around. Today, as I sit here, I hold 2 degrees that are before you. Mr. Speaker, I am on my pathway to attain a master's degree from the most prestigious university in the world. And that is achieved by determination.
Akiaria ciĩgiĩ ũtonga wake.
Mr. Speaker, my net worth is 2,361,332,249. Largely by developed and undeveloped properties, which include my homes in Mombasa, Vipingo, Nairobi, and Malindi. Shareholding in some property holdings. Shareholding in family businesses,